Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. Later that we divide both sides by this one and this one. And now we have like this. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 4x plus number 2. This one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of y plus 1, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.